friends, Patricia here. How are you today? I hope you are all well. Today I'm going to share with you a piece of jewelry that I have to repair. I was at a market a couple weekends ago and it was so windy that it blew some of my jewelry off the table. So I have this beautiful Amazonite necklace. This is sterling silver wire work and Amazonite beads, and this is a stainless steel bar that's hanging from, but look what happened to the stone when it fell off the table. So yeah, sad. When I get home, I always check my jewelry the next day and clean it and put it ready to go to the next market. I just have one more market for this season. I haven't decided if I'm going to do a Christmas market. Are you going to do any Christmas markets? And let me know down below. Yeah, so anyways, it's kind of sad. So I went to my supplier, and being that this is a natural gemstone, and they have their own coloring, like mixed coloring. I ordered 4 pendant stones. Here we go. And that's because they, they're all different in color. So if we compare this one to this one's lighter, and that one won't do for my necklace because it's not that bright. So this one, I'm gonna drop it, is a little darker. That's too light. I think that one works perfect. So I'm going to have to take the pendant apart. So I'll move you down so you can see what I'm doing. Just move my stuff out of the way and I'll be right back. So I have this piece here. I have sterling coated wire. I believe this is 18 gauge. Yeah, 18 gauge. And I'm going to have to snip this. I save all this coated wire because it can be recycled and sent to a company for smelting. And get this. Put you in there so you don't run away on me. So I don't know what I'll do with this stone, but the silver I'll recycle. So what I'm going to do is I have this is like a rubbery, like a silicone, and I'm just going to temper the metal to harden it. Use the flush cutters. Just notice I'm gonna have to get a new pair. They're cutting crooked. They're not inlined anymore. So I'll just check this. It's still a little bit soft. I want to harden it. being very gentle to slowly work it because I don't want to crack the stone. A little bump there. See this? You can pull it with a pair of pliers to get it around and tighten it. Okay. I always use my scrap set, so I just want to make this tiny. Squish it down. Bend it. Don't want to be too rough on the stone, but I want this, I want it to lay right. Okay. You can warm it up with your fingers too, to temper it, harden it. I know there's a lot left over and I wanted to make sure it looked really good. This is like a looper. So I'm going to chest it on here. This is 3mm. I just want to make sure I get the right loop size. Bring it as close to the bead as I can. Try not to crack my bead. Whoop. So I want it back on to be facing to the back, so I'll turn it. I want to hang properly. Pinch. Straighten. So you don't do that ever to a loop. You put your loop either towards you Slippery, slippery. Try not to scratch anything. Okay. There we go. And just make sure it's down, closed. A little dimple. So there it is. Back on all nice, ready for this weekend sale. And it just goes back and forth, but I put a little dimple in there so that it will sit when you're wearing it. It won't go back and forth. There we go. So that was a quick fix. Thank you for spending time with me. If you like my short little video, give it thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that you'll be notified when my next video is up. Take care and have a great evening, I guess. It's gotten dark all of a sudden. Bye-bye.